Hi guys, today we'll be creating a simple watercolor fashion illustration using one of the lessons from my book, Fashion Illustration Techniques in Watercolor. As you can see, I took an orange watercolor and created a simple bob illustration, and then I'm going in with a body tone for the face. Again, I'm making very simple, almost careless marks for the hair and the face, and I'm leaving a white highlight just to give it some dimension. Then I'm going in with my vibrant blue to create a fun top, and then I'm going in with green to make the pants. I'm using just the right amount of water when I'm painting. I'm not oversaturating the brush. And you can really make it up as you go. As you can see, I'm going in with my second figure here. Maybe use a different skin tone, different hair color, and a different color for the clothes. Try to make the colors contrasting so they pop. You can even use colors in the same family, but different colors like red and pinks, or green and blues. So once I created the watercolor bases, then I go in with the fashion marker and I make simple facial features. Don't overdraw the face. You want to make it a fun and simple dynamic illustration. Make the lips, then make the eyes. You can add little eyelashes in there. Just have fun with it. The more you practice, the more you realize that you don't need to overwork these drawings. You just need to make it fun and simple. The more simple these are, the more dynamic and fresh they will look. As you can see, I left the highlight. I'm not painting in the entire garments. I left the highlight of the paper, the white paper or whatever color paper you have. It will really look interesting. You can add little details for the garments as well, like folds and little details of her collar and hair details as well. Just play with it, have fun with it. And that's what really makes it a cool fashion drawing. Check out my book. Thank you.